Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's we start today our lecture number 18 and our chapter is 11. 6th class. Today our topic is introduction to the internet. Students, you know about the internet. Internet provide different facilities all over the world and every field of life. In the next slides, a vast network. First of all, I am described to what is network. When two and more than two computers connected with each other and share their resources and applications and programs, that is a network, and communicate with each other and share their ideas and thoughts within less time. Internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. You can communicate all over the world by using a network. That network we say that is a internet. I am described to different uses of the internet. We can access information stored on computer in different cities or countries. Students, by using internet within less time, we can access the information about the different city and different countries all over the world. We can search for information on various topics like that, science subjects, computer subjects, English subjects, and you can give the online test and you can prepare your exams by using internet. We can play games on the computer. We can send messages or email to computer user around the world. That is the most important way of sending and receiving email. We can conduct banking transactions on the computer without having to visit the bank. We can buy goods without spending a lot of time visiting the market. We can purchase things by online shopping by using internet. That is the most important way of shopping. In the next slides, search engine. What is search engine? We can use internet search engine to search for information by entering keywords. Students, you see the picture, that is a Google, and Google is a search engine. Okay, and students, when you need to different information about different topics, about different city and anything you want, you can be enter different words, different address on the search bar and click the OK. That internet provide to output that you instructions enter in the search engine. Okay, that is the best way for accessing informations on the internet. In the next slides, what is email? Email is a electronic mails. By mail we can sending and receiving our ideas to the other persons, and we attach the different photos, videos and other documents attached to the email and send to the other person. And how do we send the email one place to another place? We have create a email account. You need to ID and password. After that your email account will be created. After that you can be able to send the email from the other person by using internet. You write the email address of the other person in the to where write the to. Here you write email address of the other person that you want to send, and after that subject you write the reason and write the reference what you give in this email, and after that compose. You can write the text and attach the different files with your email and click the send option. Your email is sent to the other person. Students, today our lecture is end, so listen it carefully. Allah Hafiz.